Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color of picture in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the color of picture. Go to a blank page firstly, then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place in this page. Now we want to change the color of this picture. Select this picture. Then go to the layer option and go to the adjustment, new adjustment, and go to the color balance option. And we can see here the color balance window. Then we move this window top and change the color. Now we can see we change the color of our image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.